I've got a couple more products that I'd like to show you today. The first one is called That Purple Thang, literally. This is kind of cool. It's new to me, but it's really great. It's got two different ends, and it's also got a little slot in there. I think it probably, for some types of elastic, it would work really well to thread elastic through a casing. I also have been using it as a point turner. So you can see I've got this points ready to be pushed out, and it works pretty slick with that little curved end. And I don't know how well you can see that, but it's a little bit gentler than using my seam ripper, which is what I have a tendency to use, because that's usually the closest thing handy. This end I kind of like. It's a little broader, and I can swipe that along the seams on the inside to kind of push them out so that I get a better edge. And then I kind of finger press and get a much crisper edge than what I had. So that gets it ready for me to stitch a little bit better. The other product that I have is ruler stickers. And I don't know about anybody else, but I've used masking tape before and other kinds of tape, and if I don't take them off right away, they tend to leave a little residue on my rulers. Like I've got a little residue right there that never quite comes off without a little bit of effort. But these stickers are really easy to peel off, and you just line however many up you need where you need to cut. I've got them marking this line right here so that I know that's where I'm cutting frequently. The package I have comes with purple, yellow, and red, so it's easy to see on any color fabric, or you can pick a color that'll work on any color fabric. There's a bunch on there, and they're reusable many times. These have been on for, a couple of months probably, and I still have been able to peel them off, and they're sticky enough that they don't come off at all. So it's been very helpful for me for repetitive cutting and with the same lines. If you've got any questions, let me know, but a couple other products for you. Thanks.